Across the US, an average long-haul truck runs roughly 80,000 miles a year, burning nearly 12,000 gallons of fuel along the way. How do we lower the cost? There are several major factors that affect fuel efficiency. Among them, aerodynamics matters most. But solving this challenge has never been easy. It required too much time, money, and manpower, and the process was far too slow. And every truck had to be handled as a separate individual project. Until now. We asked ourselves one question: how can we make aerodynamics radically simple, easier, faster, and dramatically more cost-efficient, all while being more accurate? A solution that customizes to any truck, delivering the simplest aerodynamic experience for every fleet. The aerodynamic optimization experience. With just the minimum AOX requirements applied, a single click reduced drag by an average of 7.38%, which translates into annual savings of $1,370. One click, thousands of dollars saved every year. That's the innovation of AOX, automated aero design in one click. Aero for everyone.